Hello guys, welcome to Street Jam. As you probably heard, they call the X-Pros the poor man's Leica. So today we will check that out. Even though they look alike on the auto shell, they are very different in the usage. X-Pro 3 has autofocus, and the Leica M series cameras never had autofocus, and they never will, because they are rangefinders. So if we have to bind X-Pro 3 to a film camera, I think Contax would gladly accept that role. Let's compare the handlings. Fujifilm X-Pro 3 holds tightly on one hand, and because it has autofocus, you don't have to bring your left hand to the game. Leica M10, however, you always have to keep your left hand underneath for focusing. X-Pro 3 is just slightly longer than the M10. The menu layout in the Leica is very simple, just like Fuji menu was back in the day. As Fuji went forwards with the tech-wise, menus of the Fujifilm cameras got deeper and deeper. Another big difference is that you have to take off the base plate to get to the very expensive battery of the Leica M10. In the X-Pro 3, however, you just have to open a flap. Viewfinder of the Leica will show you only down to 28mm frame length, then a 35 and a 50mm as well. X-Pro 3's optical viewfinder shows you only up to 35mm, well 23 for crop, but it has an electronical viewfinder as well. So whatever lens you put on, you get to see the frame. Now, I will try to make the same toys in different locations with both the cameras, so you can compare the images as well. Please write in the comments which images do you prefer, and if it was up to you, which one would you keep in your camera bag. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.
Hola contigo. I'm recording. Fist bump.
This layers.
Oh, nice. Great. Yeah. Now everyone sees you. Everybody's gonna figure out.